Yeah, I don't know. Is yours? Oh,
There you go.
Are you recording? Yeah, I'm stopping in a minute. I need to go get a drink.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm capturing all aspects of model
So
railroading.
you put this on Facebook because I've seen a few.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw a couple from last week on there, and I don't know what made me think. I sort of knew it was you. That's why I just asked.
Yeah, no, that would be me. I usually post stuff about SARMA as well, because I don't think it gets enough publicity really.
Into the picture.
I also share it with a bunch of my American international friends as well.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So, hi, gents, if you're watching.
How did you get your rails on that?
The what?
The rails on the side of your train?
Those.
Yeah.
But with these, they're not. If the holes aren't good enough, or if they're a little bit too small or whatever, just get a bloody pin vise and just drill them out. You got some micro drills.
As soon as I get back, I've got
Buy a packet of micro drills, right? And then just find the right size, and then just work them out a little bit bigger, and then pop them in, and then a little dot of super glue, and they seem to sit still for me.
We tried everything to get those little rails that I have, and
Yeah.
we thought maybe we'll just get wire.
Well, I've got a little switcher down there, and exactly the same problem.
Which way are you going?
But basically what I did was I just opened up the holes,
wanna move that.
and then put a super glue,
There you go.
try not to stick myself to
I'm
it.
back on
and then I'm
that
all right.
track.
Yep.
Check.
And yeah, you're all green.
And I've got a green.
The glue wiped the paint off it too.
Yeah, that's about the only thing that you've kind of got to be cautious with these is the glue will sometimes affect the paint.
We use cement glue, a little needle thing on the front.
Yeah. Drop of that. That's what I try to use. But if you're using super glue, what I actually use,
Years ago.
either a precision screwdriver that you don't want it like a real fine one, and I just go there and then I can put a drop on that, or a pin, or even a toothpick in your super glue, and then you get just a tiny dot in it.
I don't see why they sell it with that already on it. It's a bit
one of the things. The little switcher which I've got, I think it's New York Central thing, and I got that in a whole bunch of stuff, and it was all in pieces, so I had to put the whole thing blood together.
That one?
Yep.
Which will neutralise that one?
That one will switch that one down there
Yep, so I need that one.
to go straight,
And this
and
one,
then
I've got to neutralise this
that
point.
one will be that one there, which switches stuff. Wait until you pass through.
Yep. That was a bit rapid.
If you just bumped over the point, it must be a bit of a...
Now?
Green is the front
I'll
track.
just grab my drink and I'll
Red
roll.
banks will be going from
Lovely.
that's going to the inside.
You want to move your camera, and then I'll get Ross up behind you.
That track effectively
Give me a second.